Hey everyone,
Calvin.
it's me, Player9, and
Somebody's
we have
here.
some updates to talk about. You got a quarter? Anyone of y'all got a quarter?
No.
We need a quarter so we can go.
No, we don't have a quarter. What you call it? We're at Reno and we just finished watching the Peanuts.
GSR.
Peanuts. I think the name is. We're at Reno. It's the
Y'all
first.
doing the video?
Yeah, it's the first day. We're not.
We probably want to do like the goal is 5 every single day.
Y'all should do 5 every single day.
Yeah, 5.
Five.
So this is the first one.
Yeah, 5 likes. Y'all
Yeah.
suck.
5 likes.
She knows.
I got more 5 likes.
I subscribe to both of you.
I know that. You commented on one of my videos. Yeah. So
We just finished the Peanuts movie.
And later we're gonna go to the arcade. Maybe we'll
And
vlog about that.
bowling.
I don't know, bowling. Yeah, that's all. Okay.
We have 2 days in Reno, so we want to like try to YOLO everything.
There's a pool, but we can't go.
Yeah, let's show them.
I don't have a front camera, but yeah.
Here, look. I could just switch because.
Whoa, it's hecka bright. I can't see anything.
Hey, it's
Oh, there
Okay,
you go.
so this is the
That's
pool.
the pool.
Haley's
And hot
Pretty-
tub.
we got a good view, but in the other room.
It sucks. So yeah, we're just here doing nothing. It's the first day, and yeah, there's really nothing to do. We're hungry. We're bored. So this is why we're doing this, so we can do nothing. I don't know. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. This is all for today. I'll see you guys later. Hope you enjoyed this first part of this thing. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye.